Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you this beautiful, fully frame-off, restored 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. This truck is absolutely beautiful from front to back. Like I say, it's been a frame-off, rotisserie restoration, body-off restoration. This truck is absolutely gorgeous, front to back. Look at that chrome bumper on the back. New bumpers, front and rear. New wheels, new tires. Got the rally wheels, the BF Goodrich radial TA tires. The paint and body on this truck is very, very nice. You can see how nice the paint is. The grille, the headlight bezels, like I say, the bumpers are all new. The marker lights, the turn signals, the tail lights, the mirrors, the door handles, everything on this truck. I think everything's on this truck's been restored. Sorry about that. I almost had to hiccup there. New exhaust, new fuel tank, new wood bed floor. Beautiful red and white paint job, a Chevrolet outline there in white in the back. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Has a small block Chevy engine in it. Has a 350 turbo transmission in it. I'll open the hood here, show you underneath there. Holley carburetor, aluminum, polished aluminum intake on it. Got a really nice set of stainless headers on it. Chevrolet Performance valve covers and air cleaner on the truck. Chrome oil pan, pulleys, water pump, front timing cover. Very, very nicely detailed underneath the hood. Aluminum radiator, aluminum overflow tank, painted firewall. Man, they've really done a nice job on this pickup truck. I bought a couple vehicles from this same gentleman, and both of them were both spectacular vehicles. They look, run, and drive just like they should. Get you an idea. Like I say, I showed you the front. I'll show you the back there on the box. You see how nice the paint is on this thing. Maybe a couple little imperfections. Like I say, you guys always know I'm underneath these LED lights, so if I find anything, I'll point it out to you. One little tiny little dimple right there, kind of the size of maybe the end of a pencil. I'm being pretty picky on this thing when I'm showing you this stuff, though. Because that's how we do things here at Kenyon Classics. I want you to feel extremely comfortable about what you are buying. And we only buy quality vehicles. So you're not going to buy something from us that's, you know, a subpar vehicle. I mean, I look for the best. Very, very nice interior. Red and white leather seat. Feels like leather anyway. It might be vinyl, but it feels really soft and nice. New carpet, all painted behind the seat there. The cab's all painted up really nice inside the dash. The glove box there. It does have, I looked in there a little bit ago, it does have a 65 Chevrolet owner's manual in there. B&M Hurst shifter in it. This truck was originally a 3-speed, so it does have the original clutch pedal still in the truck. The gentleman said he was always thinking about maybe putting a 6-speed manual tranny in it, so he left the clutch pedal there and the linkage and stuff, so if he wanted to do that, he could, but that's up to your discretion. If you want to take that out, you can sure do that. But man, oh man, look at how nice this truck is. Like I say, the paint, the body, the interior, the engine, the drivetrain. I'll show you the underneath this thing here. I'll take some pictures of that here in a little bit. I think there's already some on our website that you can check out as well. There's your dome light, it works. I'm sure that radio works. I don't know what button to make it turn on, but left turn signal, right turn signal, bright headlight indicator. Even the light there around the shifter works. Truck sounds great. Listen to this thing purr. Just a beautiful 65 Chevrolet C10 custom pickup truck. It looks right, it sits right, it drives right. There's all your lights. Very, very nice pickup truck. There's your left signal. We'll go around and look at that. There's your left signal. There's your signal up there in the hood. The idle's turned down pretty low on this thing. Sounds like it might die. Yep, she's still going. Seems like the idle's turned down quite a bit, but that's okay. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous pickup truck, everybody. I'll show you the underneath this thing. Look at how nice this thing, all the exhaust looks like brand new, the shocks, the springs, the brake system. Just a great, great truck. There's the underneath the cab. You can see how nice and solid this truck is. There's the bottom of the rockers, the bottom of the doors. Try to get pretty in depth here with you and show you everything I know about these things. What a beauty. 1965. Man, are these things ever growing in popularity. Hard to get your hands on one of these. You know, these trucks, I see these trucks priced all over the board, and a lot of times you'll see these trucks for $20,000 to $30,000, and they're nowhere near this shape. We're gonna price this truck right. I haven't decided the price on it yet, but whoever gets this truck is gonna absolutely love it. Like I say, it runs, drives, and looks spectacular. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinyonAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N, auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, and regular vehicles every single day. Got the door open there. Man, this thing is gorgeous. Really proud of everyone here at Kenyon Classic Cars, our staff, our office staff, our mechanics, everyone from our detail guys. Everybody does a tremendous job here in providing the best service that we can provide you and bringing you the very best inventory that we can find. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Thanks for watching our videos. Everyone have a very good afternoon.